What's up, people? Another beautiful day. Yeah. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good. Or excellent. What? What's up, Steam Deck fans? You know, Steam Deck Tribe, Steam Deck Nation, Steam Deck Universe, Steam Deck World, Steam Deck Legion, what's good? Steam Deck Mob, what's happening? Steam Deck Squad, what's up? And to you Steam Deck nerds, geeks, and freaks, and you investigators, what's happening? Look, I'm going to leave the Digital Foundry video of our Ratchet and Clank and Remnant. I'm gonna leave it in the link in the description box. You just click on the link and watch the video. Now, what I got for you Steam Deck fans? Oh, let's see here. What I got for you little Steam Deck nerds? What do I have? All right. First things first. Baldur's Gate 3. It's about 120 gigs of storage on PC, but if you got a 2 terabyte. If you got 2 terabyte installed in this, 120 gigs, no big deal. You just install and play. Alright, now, Baldur's Gate 2 has FSR 2.0 support. It's getting FSR 2.0 support. Okay? Yeah. And what else I got for you? Now, the Steam Deck now getting a big has a big update. Big update. This from Gaming on Linux. Listen to this. Steam Desktop and Steam Deck gets a fresh, stable update. Valve released another big, stable update to Steam Client for Desktop and Steam Deck. Here's a run over what's new and changed. As usual, the changes between them are basically the same, although one does seemingly actually just for the Steam Deck, which is where Valve fixed a case where the wrong FPS limit would be applied on startup. There's also fixes and improvements just for Linux, which will likely affect Steam OS on Steam Deck 2, not TOO, not TWO. Says, okay, fixed cases where the controller input threads could operate at normal instead of high scheduled priority. See if I got this here. Make sure I don't miss out on anything here. Okay, got it. Now, back to the update. Okay. Fix a dialog not appearing in some cases for a system without an active X-desktop portal. Fix a rare crash when processing shaders. Fix a case where user interface would show the wrong image when switching between the small mode and normal mode. Additional fixes for file dialog system where XDG-desktop-portal is not available. The rest of the changes are general. Add time to overlay. You can enable this button in the in-game setting. Improve library performance for users with larger numbers of collection. Fix some confirmation dialog not closing with cancel or X button. Fix clear download cache, also deleting cache login information. Fix an issue that could cause the Steam Guard code to fail first time it is entered, then success immediately after that. Fix Steam overlay not respecting window scale factor for full screen windows at heights greater 1200 pixels. Fix window scale factor 150% not applying to Steam overlay. Fix a hitch that some players with large libraries might encounter every 15 minutes while playing a game. Fix main client window taking focus from other Steam windows when navigation menus are hovered. Fix notification for achievements not firing when offline. Fix wallet balance not updating in the title bar when balance hits 0. Fix incorrect display of notify me about addition or changes to my game settings interface setting if it had never changed before. Then for library, add the ability to sort by date added to library to shelves and game grids. Added a setting to display Steam Deck compatibility information in the library while not on Steam Deck. Steam overlay. Add in-game settings to allow enabling or disabling display scaling in the overlay. Change behavior of overlay tab browser to clear all tabs when the close button is clicked. And add a minimize button to add browser as the close button previously did. Fix intermittent crash in overlay browser when switching to overlay for in-game purchases. Big picture mode. PlayStation controller can now use touchpad typing in the on-screen keyboard. Fix presentation and localization of items in special offer section. Okay, Steam input. Improve navigation in the configurator when navigating from the preview screen. Repeatedly go into preview, then add input. No longer builds up loops in the back stack. You can now go back with a single B button press if you've not interacted with the left column. Add the ability to copy and paste button / access mapping when setting up inputs for unrecognized controller. The select controller configuration showed in the configurator should now update quicker and more reliably, including when exporting configs. DualSense wireless controllers will now remain in direct input compatibility mode over Bluetooth when Steam input is disabled. Fix some cases where navigation changes from previous beta could result in a blank page in the configurator. Fix detecting controller using the Xbox Enhanced feature support driver. Fix changing effects on PS4 and PS5 controller when Steam input is not enabled. Then for developer console, add a setting to display timestamps in Steam console windows. Change Steam console window to keep the last several seconds of output, even if that would exceed the normal buffer length. Fix command echo sometimes appearing on the same line as previous outputs. Fix clear _ console command not doing anything. And then for Mac OS, fix the chooser dialog not opening for some action. Fix file chooser not allowing directories to be selected in some cases. Fix Steam app pulling focus back to previous space when switching to a space with a Steam client window on it. Fix app hiding not working with Steam client window. Fix Steam client window not allowing drag and pass the height of the title bar on the main screen when running multiple displays. Fix navigation menus not opening on mouse over a button when the store or community browser are focused. And then it says here, the new timer features on desktop overlay sounds very useful, allowing you to set any time you want, and then when it's done you will get a ping and a pop-up notifying you time is up. Could be incredibly useful for reminding you to take an actual break. And he says, I'm sure plenty of people who have both a PC and Steam Deck will also appreciate being able to see Steam Deck Verify ratings in their Steam library as well. Available to turn on in settings, library shows Steam Deck compatibility information in the library. You can then hover over items or expand the detail view on individual games. And what else? That's that for the updates. Now, Linux overtakes Mac OS users on Steam thanks to Steam Deck. Come on, man. It's a Steam Deck thing, man. We couldn't find a game the Steam Deck couldn't run, man. What is wrong with you people? Come on, man. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And by the way, you're up to date man, when it comes to games, man. What is wrong with you people? Anyway, it says here, it finally happened. According to the latest Steam hardware and software survey for July 2023, we can see that Linux users has overtaken Mac OS. For July 2023, Windows 96.21% -0.56. Mac OS 1.84 plus 0.05%. Linux 1.96 plus 0.52. Man, Windows says a pretty massive increase and the biggest in the single month for a year. So why? Well, considering Valve just recently had a huge sale on the Steam Deck, it's probably not all that surprising. A lot of people over the last month will have been playing with their Steam Deck that ship with Steam OS Linux. So I do expect it to go down a fair bit next month as things settle down again, but I imagine it will continue to trend higher over and keep pushing forward. And then it says here's the current most popular Linux distribution, showing Steam OS. Steam Deck is the clear winner. Anyway, Steam Deck parentheses is the clear winner. It says here Steam OS Holo 64-bit 42.07% plus 2.74%. Arch Linux 64-bit 7.94% dash 0.39%. Ubuntu 22.4.2 LTS 64-bit 77.38%. 0.9 free desktop board SDK. That's 22.8. Actually 64-bit 5.99 dash 0.03%. Manjaro Linux 64-bit 4.29%. 0.08. Linux Mint 21.1 64-bit 3.84. That's 0.71. Pops OS 22.4 LTS 64-bit 2.97% plus 2.97%. Others 25.52% and 4.02. He said, "What do you think of the latest news?" Hey, Steam Deck is growing, man. So yeah, hey, the Steam Deck did brought life into the Linux gaming community. So yeah, gaming on the Steam Deck is pretty good, man. Really good. You know, you're up to date, man. You know, look, I don't even got the Series X or PS5. I went from an Xbox One to this. Oh yeah, I'm up to date when it comes to gaming, man. Then what? I've seen people run Windows 95, 98 on an SD card, 95, 98, 2000 XP, even Vista 7, 8. Yeah, they're doing it. Yeah, Steam Deck, man. It's a good hand, a really good handheld. Very good. But those are all the updates I have for you when it comes to the Steam Deck, and I will leave that Digital Foundry video in the description box. But Bauldur's Gate is getting FSR 2.0 support. Oh yeah, the Steam Deck way. Yep. And you know, Bauldur's Gate's about 120 gigs installed, but if you got the 2 terabyte SSD installed in the Steam Deck, 120 gigs is nothing. So yeah, when it comes to the Steam Deck, go with a 2 terabyte SSD out the gate. Don't get a 1 terabyte. Go with a 2 terabyte. Get it out the way, and then go with your 1 terabyte SD cards and go on from there. Yeah. Yep. It's a really good handheld. Really good. All right. Well, that's all I got for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars and Star Trek thing. Port Dark Side. Go. Peace.